Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a PPC case study that's all about driving massive growth for a US based client in the home improvement industry. This business had multiple locations specializing in bathroom furniture, fittings, plumbing supplies, and they needed our help to break through the competition, boost sales, and bring in more customers both online and in store. So now, in terms of the client overview, they have got showrooms across several locations in the US offering high quality bathroom furniture and fittings. They were even awarded multi-location merchant of the year in 2023. That is pretty impressive, right? But here is a kicker. Despite having a strong presence in the physical world, their online sales were struggling and they did not have any solid video marketing in place. So let's talk about the challenges that we have faced. They came to us with 4 big challenges. First is a lot of competition in the home improvement space. They weren't getting much engagement from their online ads. They needed better local targeting to drive traffic to their stores, and then the merchant center was actually disapproved. So now the next thing is, how did we help? So stick around and I will show you exactly what we did to turn things around for them. First up, the video ads. Video is king in the digital world, especially for a business like this where visuals matter, as customers want to actually see what they are getting, right? I mean, when they can visualize these products, pictures them in their own home, that's when it really clicks. So we have created a series of engaging video ads that showcase their showrooms, product demos, and the testimonials from happy customers. We have showed their store in the video with products displayed beautifully, highlighting everything from the elegant bathroom furniture to sleek plumbing supplies and so on. And where did we place these videos? We ran the YouTube and the Facebook. The next thing is why? Because the YouTube is the go-to platform for users researching home renovation ideas, and the Facebook helped us target a broader audience interested in the home improvement. These video ads tripled their engagement rates compared to their old display ads. People were watching, clicking, and most importantly converting. The next is the keyword targeting. Let's talk about the keyword. One of the problems we found during our audit was that their keyword were too generic. They were targeting the broad term like the home improvement, but the competition for those keyword is intense and the ads weren't reaching the right people. So we have switched gears and implemented a targeted keyword strategy. Instead of those broad terms, we went hyper local with the phrases like bathroom furniture store near me, plumbing supplies, location specific. This laser focused approach meant their ads were only shown to users who were actually looking for those products. The next is the call to action, another crucial optimization, that is the click to call ads. For a business with the physical location, we want to make it as easy as possible for the customer to contact our client. So we set up the click to call ads for the mobile devices, allowing people to directly call their nearest showroom with a single tap. And let me tell you, that worked wonders for getting consultations booked. The next is the merchant center setup and the product approval. So now for this client, their Google Merchant Center had already been set up, but they were facing a significant issue. Many of their products had been disapproved. This is something we can see with the e-commerce businesses, especially when the product details don't align with the Google's policies. We took the time to audit their merchant center, identifying the reasons for the disapprovals. These range from missing or the incorrect data like the mismatched pricing to policy violations related to the product descriptions and images. After pinpointing the issues, we have made key adjustments, updating the product feed, fixing any missing information, and ensuring that all the details matched Google's guidelines. Once these changes were implemented, we have resubmitted the products and we got them all approved and eligible for the shopping ads. Getting their products back into the Google Shopping meant they could now compete on a level playing field, with their products showing up in front of the high intent customers actively searching for the bathroom furniture and the plumbing supplies. The next is the shopping standard campaign and the PMAX. We just didn't stop there. For this client, we ran both the standard shopping campaigns and the PMAX campaign. With the standard shopping, we have focused on targeting product specific keywords, aiming to bring in high intent customer searching for bathroom furniture and the plumbing supplies. For the PMAX campaign, we took things a step further by using Google's AI powered platform to show their products across all of the Google networks. This includes the search, display, the YouTube and the shopping. This helped us drive performance beyond just search, so just reaching more of their audience in new places and at different stages of the customer journey. The next is the remarketing campaign. So now here is the secret weapon in any PPC campaign setup. We didn't want to lose the potential customer who visited the website but did not convert, so we have set up the remarketing ads to target those users, offering them special discounts and reminding them to book their bathroom consultation. So now in terms of the results, so after making the necessary changes, the results were fantastic. Within the first 2 months, our clients saw a 50% increase in the online sales, which was a huge improvement. This boost came from using the targeted video ads and focusing on specific keyword, which attracted more interested customers. For their physical store, our client targeting efforts led to a 40% rise in the foot traffic. This means more people were visiting their showroom because of our ads. We also made it easier for the potential customer to book a consultation, that is actually resulting in a 60% increase in bookings. So in the last month, our campaign generated over $375,000 in terms of monthly sales, with the ROAS of 8.15. By constantly adjusting and testing different audiences and the ads, we have helped them achieve the ongoing success. So now in terms of the conclusion, this case study shows how powerful a good PPC strategy can be by using the video ads to showcase products, targeting the right keywords, and basically setting up the remarketing campaign and fixing the issues in the merchant center. We have helped the client grow both their online sales and in-store traffic. If you have enjoyed this case study and want to see more real-world example of the PPC success, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if your business is looking for a winning PPC strategy, feel free to reach out to us at Softrix. We are here to help you grow. Thanks for watching.